This is Romeo's, where the ACA has its regular meetings every Sunday, and it's just beautiful. There's Flipnotic's Coffee Space, which is not just a coffee shop. It's also a live music venue, and it's got a beautiful deck in the back. This is Uncle Billy's Brew and Q, also on Barton Springs Road, and I just love the vehicles here. Beautiful city we have here. This is one of the most popular restaurants in Austin, the Shady Grove, and it's also a live music venue, and it's huge, right here in Barton Springs, and just amazing food. And here's Chewy's Tex-Mex, also very popular Tex-Mex food here. Kapauza. It's nice to know that humans are not the only ones that crumble and fall apart and half die at some point in their life. The rest of the tree seems to be okay. This is interesting because we're very close to the area where Austin Java got in trouble for cutting down a bunch of good trees. And there are obviously trees out here that need to be removed or trimmed severely. So if they're going to be cutting down good trees and without authorization from the city, I'd like them to come here and take care of what's nearby their area that's in great need. I mean, they're so anxious to cut trees down. We need to come here and work on this, make it look a little better. There's Baby Acapulco's, also called Baby A's. There's a couple of these now in Austin. Good margaritas. Smells great too. This is the bridge I was just on. 2008 State Director of the Year.
Yay.
Zamecki, in recognition of your exceptional work on behalf of American Atheists in Texas. From Grateful American Atheists.
Yay.
Just like my old one there. Or a little bit similar. So I'll just, I've been getting ready for this. Thank you.
Okay, stand by it.
Okay.
Yay.
Thanks, folks.